Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In this video, I will answer a question from one of my students. They asked how to make it so that when printing a layout in the Uber software, the details have a gap separating them like this. If you find yourself in this situation, here's what you should do. Go to the AccuMark exposure section, click on Other, and look below for an option called Block Buffer. Click on this three-dot button. Here you can select how much space you want to leave between the details. Then click Open, click Process, select Yes to all, and then click OK. At this point, you will open the diagram and open it up. You need to perform one more step like this. Left click on this detail, drag it over, and then right click. Only then will the buffer space be added. If you just left click and drag it over, the buffer space won't appear. But if you left click, leave it here, then right click and drag it over, only then will the buffer space be added like this. After you finish arranging the diagram, you will organize it and print out this diagram. I'll try printing it out for you to see. I'll try printing the diagram for you to see. Alright, I'll press the process button. And now I'll go ahead and open up the printer control panel and click on this diagram right here. Now, you will see that all these parts have a gap separating them like this. So, if you encounter this situation, you can handle it this way so that when you cut each part out, these parts won't affect each other. If you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.